on infectious diseases held in Berlin, Germany, where experts gathered to discuss lifestyle choices that impact our health and preventive measures against chronic diseases.
In this era of fast-paced living, we often overlook the small choices that add up to big impacts on our health. Here at the conference, we discussed several everyday items that could be harmful to your health if not used cautiously. Experts recommend avoiding certain products and habits for better health. Here's a list we discussed at length. Reuse of oil. Reheating oil can release harmful chemicals. Artificial sugar. Some types may disrupt the body's natural balance. Microwave ovens and plastic use. Heating plastics in microwaves releases chemicals linked to cancer. While it may be tempting to take shortcuts in the kitchen or with meal prep, small changes can lead to big benefits. For instance, we discussed the potential harms of using plastic containers for hot foods or storing water in plastic bottles. Chemicals can leach into your food and drink, increasing cancer risk.
But what should we focus on? Health professionals also recommended specific practices that can enhance immunity and overall wellness.
Here are some positive habits to incorporate into your routine. Eating fresh vegetables and plant-based proteins like beans can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Honey as a sugar substitute. Natural honey can be a healthier alternative to processed sugars. Start your morning with 2 glasses of room temperature water to kickstart hydration. Anti-cancer juice. A mixture of aloe vera, ginger, parsley, celery, and pineapple, consumed on an empty stomach, can boost your immune defenses.
Studies show that using plastics, particularly with heat, can release carcinogenic chemicals. That's why we advise against using plastic cups for hot drinks like tea or heating food in plastic containers.
Health isn't just about avoiding risks. It's about forming positive habits. Simple adjustments like answering phone calls with your left ear or drinking more water in the morning can help.
Remember, these tips are meant to empower you. Share them
Don't
with
forget
loved
to
ones
like,
and make informed
share,
decisions
and subscribe
about
to the
daily
channel
habits.
for more amazing
Together,
content and
we can
updates.
promote a healthier, more informed society.